Tired of juggling receipts, manually entering expenses, and spending hours reconciling your accounts? You're not alone. But before you dive headfirst into an expense management solution, a crucial question arises: does Expensify actually cost money? Let's find out. Now, the short answer is yes, Expensify does have a cost. But it's not as simple as a single flat fee. Expensify offers a tiered pricing model designed to cater to businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large enterprises. This means the cost will vary depending on your specific needs and the features you utilize. Let's break down the key factors influencing your Expensify costs. Number of users. The more employees need to use Expensify, the higher your monthly subscription fee will likely be. Features utilized. Expensify offers a range of features, from basic expense tracking to corporate card integration, AI-powered receipt scanning, and even travel booking. Each additional feature you activate will contribute to your overall cost. Usage volume. The volume of expenses processed through the platform also plays a role. Higher transaction volumes may result in increased fees, depending on your chosen plan. Integration needs. If you need to integrate Expensify with your existing accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero, you might incur additional costs for integration services or third-party apps. But don't worry, Expensify offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different budgets. For individuals and small teams, they often have more affordable plans with limited features. Larger businesses can opt for enterprise-level plans with more robust features and dedicated support. Expensify also provides a free trial period, allowing you to test the platform and explore its features before committing to a paid plan. While there is a cost associated with using Expensify, the potential return on investment can be significant. By automating expense tracking and streamlining the reimbursement process, Expensify can save you time and money, reduce manual data entry, minimize errors, and accelerate reimbursement cycles. Improve employee satisfaction. Simplify the expense reporting process for your employees, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Gain better financial insights. Generate real-time reports on spending trends, identify areas for cost savings, and make more informed financial decisions. Ultimately, the cost of Expensify will depend on your specific requirements and how effectively you leverage its features. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring the different pricing options, you can find a plan that fits your budget and maximizes the value of your investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.